With just a few basic ingredients, you can make these golden, fluffy dinner rolls right at home. In a clean bowl, add water, yeast, sugar, and mix well. Cover and let it form for 5 to 10 minutes. We'll now transfer the yeast foam into a mixer bowl. In the mixer, we'll add our egg, milk, food color, and flour. One thing to note is you don't need a mixer to do this. You can do it by hand or use a wooden spoon. So I'll start mixing on low and gradually add the speed of the mixer as we go along. I'll add about 2 tablespoons of butter to give it a good texture and flavor. At this point, you'll notice the butter has been absorbed gradually and the dough has formed well. We'll cover and let it rise for 45 minutes to an hour. Once it's doubled in size, we'll put it on a weighing scale and cut it into equal portions. This recipe gives you about 13 scones. Once again, we'll cover and let it rise for 45 minutes. After it's doubled in size, we'll bake it at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And that's it for soft, fluffy dinner rolls made right in your own kitchen. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more baking recipes. See you in the next one.